Hi, so today we're going to be making a Felt Flower Fascinator. I've started off with cutting some small petals which measure 1 inch wide or 2.5 centimetres by 3 centimetres. Then some bigger ones which measure approximately 4 centimetres by 4, and I've cut them in the middle. And then we'll glue them like that just to give them a bit of shape. And the petals got bigger and bigger. Basically folded the felt in half so that you're not just cutting individual petals. Then the petal got a bit bigger. It doesn't have to be exactly fat. The bigger one is 5 centimetres by 5, and then the even bigger ones 7 long and 6 across, and then cut those. Maybe we can add some as we go, just depends how big you want the flower, and then sit that on top of a little fascinator base. So I'll show you now what to do with these. These aren't cut yet in the middle. Right, so what we're going to do, start with your smallest petal first, and I've got some super glue. Basically plop some in the middle and roll it up. Then you're going to take your second one, excuse the nails, but when I put nail varnish on, the glue somehow takes the nail varnish off and ruins my nails, so that's why they're plain and a bit disgusting. Right, so I've done the 2 middle ones. Then you just sort of overlap them, keep overlapping them. There you go. And that's just how you get a bigger flower. Just continue doing that. A little bit of glue on the bottom. And keep overlapping them and bring them a bit higher up. I did do a felt flower before, but I used a different method. I'll try and link it to the video or put it in the description. Basically I did the twirl method, but I find doing with individual petals you get a much nicer shape of the flower. So you can see it's sort of starting to take shape, and you can use that as a little flower for a headband, or you can continue going bigger. Right, so for the bigger petals, so that's not cut enough, you do a little slit. So the slit is for this. Put a little dab of glue on one side, and then you overlap it, and that will give you that lovely petal shape. And then that will, now we put glue on the bottom again. Maybe it's best if you just do your little overlaps first, let that dry, and then you can stick it on the rose. Like that. Right, so I'm going to do that now. I'm going to overlap them all. So just keep overlapping the petals, and till you got the desired size you can stop. I cut a few more extra of the middle size petal, because I just wanted quite a big rows. So just keep layering up like so. Right, so once you've done that, you'll be left with a flower like this. Turn it over, and then I'm just going to stick a round or oval bit on the back just to finish it off. And then you can either stick it on a little hat base, or it might look cute on the pillbox base. It's entirely up to you. If you found this video useful, please like it, and if you want to see more, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. Okay, thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.